Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Alex Duetto espresso machine. Now for this machine we replaced the boiler safety valve, the one that is located right inside the machine, and we also gave this machine a tune-up, replacing the shower screen and the gasket that you see right here, deep cleaning everything of the E61 group head, back flushing it multiple times, making sure everything was clean, and we also descaled this machine, which it took a lot to the scale. There was a lot of scale build up in the boiler, in the steam boiler, a lot of scale coming out through here, lots of scale build up on the brew boiler as well. So we run a bunch of descaler through it, rinse the boilers very well multiple times. It took like maybe 10 water tanks or something in order to completely rinse all the boilers in there. So we had this machine testing for a whole day to make sure that there was no descaler inside or anything like that, and yeah, it's been doing great. It's been keeping up at 1.5 bars at the most, 1.2 bars, and it's just been working great. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind series of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Probably need to tamper a little bit less hard in order to have a much more stable stream coming out of the spouts, but as you can see, it's doing great. Having really good crema coming out the top of the machine. We can stop it right here. Nice layer of crema at the top of the cup. It could totally be much better, but we're using our test coffee, which is a little bit old, so probably I need to grind it a little bit finer, and I probably need to increase the quantity of coffee. As you can see, there's a puddle of water on the portafilter. Still, it was able to extract the coffee, and it was able to do a decent shot of espresso. The steam of this machine, as you can see, is just amazing, really powerful, works extremely great, and the hot water, as you can see, is working really well too. The group head is amazing, it's the way it's supposed to, working great, and yeah, this machine is working great. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.